Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection, back again with the newest news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you this project. This is massage pillow, okay? I found it cheap, cost $15. I say, why don't you try it? They said it's for car and home, massage pillow. So I said to myself, let's try this thing and see how it looks like. And to be honest with you, I like it so much. And I ordered another piece for myself, you know. One for car, one I will keep it here. They say if you feel satisfied, please tell your friends. Yeah. Anyway, you know, it can be for back, up, down, abdominal, legs, and hands, and part down of your legs, which means you can use her anywhere. It's have charger with socket, and have this one for car. As everyone know, this for car. User manual and finish. And this is the massage pillow. Honestly, I like it here. Why? I will put it behind me, and it's gonna be $15, guys. You're kidding me? So cheap. And I will put it behind me. It's what when I sit for a long time, I will need to massage my back. So anyway, let's try it. Plug in. Listen to me. I will give you what they say here. I will give you shortly what they say here. Okay? They say to get a nice result, you should use it 15 minutes and let her relax 15 minutes. Let her rest 15. Don't use it half hour behind each other. And they say even to massage yourself half hour. This is too much. It's 15 minutes is too enough for massaging every area. Anyway. See here, they say then 15 minutes each time, you know, which is mean, and then again 30 minutes later, not 15. They said let it be after 30 minutes later, which is mean you should let it 30 minutes rest, because you know this is not something cost $1,000. It's there is a lot of kinds, you understand me, but I don't see that the reason for me to buy another one. You got me another kind. Look, you have here three kinds. Okay, look, you have here. Wow. I won't sleep. It's really cute. And let me, I feel laugh. Yeah, okay. And look, there's extra, it's have heating. Can you believe this? It's $15 and now it's with heating. See, it starts to become hot. You can do with heating and without heating. And now it's without light. I turn light off. See? Then off. Understand me? You have three here. This is heating. So it will heat, which is mean in winter it will be so beautiful. But let me tell you something, guys. Between the balls here that they are circling now, this one, and between your back, it's just this material. You got me? It's so thin material. It's almost like cover for your pillow, really. So it's gonna little bit hurt you, unless if you are fat little bit, you're not gonna feel it. But as for me or someone bony, it's hurt a little bit. I have feeling also that I need to put material here. I need to put another material here. See, it's now become hot, choo-choo, little bit. I mean, see? Okay. So to be honest with you, it's beautiful. See, you can put her for car here in any position you want. $15, you're kidding me. And I mean, I see here they have even colors, you know, purple, blue, and this, it's like Cooper color. I like this Cooper color most of all. Anyway, there's something I forget to tell you. Key performance. Oh, please a second. Yeah, as I tell you, for the first and second for heating. Okay, this was the review about the massage pillow. Let me put it on my chest. It is hurt. It's hurt, my baby. It's hurt. No. As my advice, I need to cover it by some another material. For example, something more fat should than this. Maybe another. I would put towel or something, because I see this stuff a little bit about me. You know, I feel hurt, so I will put something, and it would be so great. Okay guys, this is what my video and review about the massage pillow, and really it's deserved the money. It's so beautiful, and I see here that you can open maybe to wash it. Yeah. I hope I will not fuck it. I mean it's really, what's inside here? Oh, it's like sponge, you know, as you see here. So guys, please, if you like the video, don't forget to put thumbs up, and if you don't like the video, put thumbs down, as you wish. And see you again on another video with Hatem for Objection. Peace.